Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
You start by confirming the basics. Plug the Beat Studio 3 into a known good USB-C charger and charge for at least 10-15 minutes. Once done, make sure the cable and port are clean and undamaged. Lint can prevent contact. Try a different wall adapter or computer USB port to rule out a faulty charger. These steps isolate whether the problem is power delivery versus internal battery or firmware. So do them first, and only move on after you observe whether any LEDs or sounds appear. Next, reset and address firmware. Perform a factory reset by holding power and volume down simultaneously for 10 seconds. This clears software hangs that can block boot. Once reset, charge the headphones for about 30 minutes and then try powering on again. If they still won't respond, plug into a device with a 3.5 mm cable to check if the amplifier is functional. A wired signal helps determine if the issue is Bluetooth or full system failure. If LEDs flash after reset, proceed to final diagnostics. For final steps, if you're comfortable and out of warranty, open the ear cup to inspect the battery connection and ribbon cables. Loose connectors commonly prevent powering on. Once reconnected, reassemble carefully and test power. If you're unsure or the unit is under warranty, stop and contact Beats or Apple support to avoid voiding coverage. One key troubleshooting tip: swapping the battery with a known good replacement will quickly confirm if the cell has failed. Battery failure is a frequent cause of no power symptoms.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.